Hello, my name is Andrew and welcome to another video. Now, I am going to be doing something very spooky and crazy today. Have you ever seen buildings or houses that have been abandoned? And I thought, wouldn't it be cool to go and check it out, right? Just go in, pop in, and beep, 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 beep. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Hi, sorry about that. Okay, this is better, right? This is better. Okay, so my AC heater is on because it's cold outside. But anyway, so long story short, I just wanted to go into this abandoned place that I found. So yeah, let's see what it's like. Sorry you had to see all that other stuff, but yeah, let's go. Oh, and also I just realized this is the first video I've ever recorded while wearing my contacts and not my glasses. I'm currently editing what you are looking at and watching right now, and look at how healthy I am. I'm literally eating hot cocoa powder. Cool, it works. It actually works. I also did not mention that this is like a week after the video this video that you're about to see. But yeah, let's get back to it, shall we? Yeah, let's go. We made it. Oh, I almost dropped my phone. It's locked.
No, my turn.
Oh, good. Perfect. We're the only living things probably in here. And then, not even 5 minutes later, we saw this. Oh my gosh. I don't know. Is it? Why isn't he playing dead?
I should have done.
Is that a mine? Kablooey. Let's see just how deep this is.
Oh my god.
Not too deep. I'm standing in it right now. Not too deep at all.
I was gonna tell you not to go in, but you already did.
So then we had a great idea that we would go explore some other haunted place. So we found this haunted ice rink or something. I'm sorry. I look like a weird floating head in this video right now. That was a dud. This is what we found.
We should be careful because we're security cameras here.
Yeah, we shouldn't break in.
Okay, so let's find out.
Well, that's disappointing. I guess we have to find another abandoned area.
Well, this was more haunted than abandoned.
This is day 2 of me editing this video. Anyway, so we went to... So anyway, we... Because I freaking can't speak today. So since that ice rink was a bust, we literally found a more exciting area. So we're back, and surprise, we're at another abandoned location. But we still have to find a way inside though, that's the problem.
We're gonna be able to go inside?
I hope so. Oh. So, would you like to say what just happened?
Well, a car came towards us, and both of us very intelligently decided to run in opposite directions.
I literally jumped in the bushes.
I ran to the car because I thought we were going to get in the car and drive off. But then Andrew was like, they would have chased us. And I'm like, oh yeah.
Yeah, we would have gotten in a huge car chase.
So then I just went and kind of crouched down behind the car when I realized Andrew wasn't there.
So we hid our car in a more discreet location. I'm literally shaking right now. Okay, so cars keep going by. Wow. Oh my gosh. Ellary. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, this is like The Ring. Did you know the horror movie The Ring?
Yes.
This is The Ring!
I have no idea what that is. Is that poop?
And that's what they do in The Ring. They close in.
Oh, those are pine cones, it's not poop. This is The Ring. Welcome to The Ring.
Oh my god, this is The Ring, my favorite horror movie. Let's try to find it.
Peep peep.
Andrew.
Yeah. It's so dark. All right, Ellary. You got our way back, so I go that way. Ellary, this is it. Ellary, can you? I don't want to go in here alone. Oh my God. This is it. Here.
How are you gonna get out?
Oh, there's a little store right here. This is so freaky. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Come on in. Here. Yeah. Shoot, that's so much noise.
No, I got the knife. Just hold that shit.
I
want to land on the stool. Yeah, I'm okay.
Oh my God. There's a shopping cart. What is this place? Is there asbestos in here? Are we gonna die? You cut your hand? Frankenstein? Frankenstein. This is our first abandoned area of the day. We're probably gonna die of asbestos. Oh my God. I swear I saw the wall move. I'm sorry. Yeah? Yeah, good idea. Let's stay together. Honestly, we are. I don't even know what we were thinking. What even is this? There are ladders over here. Oh my God. Ready?
Yeah. How far? It just goes. Wait, Andrew, it's pitch black. I don't like that.
It's black?
It's pitch black. Like I can't see anything.
I'll hold this like this. Film me.
I want to come up.
Hold on.
Andrew.
Is it? I don't think it. I'm gonna come down and then you can come up.
Okay.
I don't know how this can hold my weight.
Here. Oh, here, I want to go up there. Here.
This isn't a dream. We're actually doing this, right? Careful. What's wrong? What do you see?
I'm scared to see anything. I don't want it to break.
Yeah, that's the thing. Alright, yeah, you can come down now. I don't like being the only one down here.
Huh? I was too scared to stand up because I didn't want it to break.
You're good. Alright, yeah, take one, and then take one more. One more. And then that's the last one, and then step on the stool. With your right leg.
Okay.
There you go. Good job. Alright, so when you were up, I swear I heard a breath.
Heard what?
Like, like, or something like that. What water? Ah, the water. Yeah, you're right. It's the water. That's me trying to convince myself. Now watch this. Ready? You're gonna like this.
Oh no.
Oh no, I'm in jail. I'm in jail. I've been a bad
This
boy.
literally looks like paranormal activity from the things on this phone.
Maybe it is paranormal activity.
No, don't say that. Not now. We don't say it later. We don't talk about it now. Turn on the light.
Oh, this isn't that bad.
Turn on the light.
Alright, yeah. Let's explore more.
I did it by accident.
Aw, that's adorable. So we heard people in that area. I think I heard voices too.
Well, I didn't hear voices. I just heard like something moving in a bang.
My car is there.
Yeah.
Here, you hold the fuck stuff.
So here.
Just in case, because I have the knife. I'd hate to think of clowns in here. I think... No, they can't be. Definitely not. Showers? Bathrooms? What the heck is this? Pressure meters? How do we get in? Yeah, right there. Good idea. Good thinking. Yeah, always keep your eye on the exit. You never know what comes at you. Ooh. My gosh.
No, over here.
And then more some too. There's stairs. Let's see what's in this room first. Just to make sure everything's clear. Can you take glass?
I'm not gonna take it, it's broken.
Yeah, that's dangerous. Oh yeah, I don't know what the heck this thing. Oh, they're lights. Unlock it.
Yeah, that's what it is. Wait.
Careful. Yeah, this thing is slippery. We're not going over there.
Why not?
We're not going up that ladder. We can go upstairs. Guess what?
What?
More stairs. Oh my gosh. Ellary?
What?
I saw a YouTube video where someone saw that exact thing right there. Explain this area. Wow, nothing has changed. Why am I so stupid? Just like 1 more or so. Go down these stairs, like in that area, and we're home free. Do you think this place is haunted? No. It's like an attic area. Whoa. That wasn't a cough, was it? Okay. It's alone. Yeah, you're right. It's alone.
And if you think that there's something there, don't point the light at it and look at it. You run in the other direction.
You're smarter than me. Now I'm the last person. You're scared of me.
For me, stairs be the first and the last. At least you're in front of us.
You wanna go over there? Ellary?
Wait a minute.
But then I'm in complete darkness. Oh my gosh. I'm in the dark. Didn't we want to come down here?
Here. You can get down here.
Right here. Can't see a thing. There's no one behind me, right? Okay, good. There's stairs right here. There's stairs right here.
There's no stairs.
Right here. The person who's behind always gets killed in all the horror movies.
I'm in the stairs. I'm trying so high, whatever.
We're gonna get tetanus.
Oh my god, I just realized, yeah.
Oh. Maybe it's cursed.
It's not cursed.
I'm like, show. And remember the well from The Ring? This is the mini version. What else is down here?
So that's nice.
My foot got wet earlier, but... Oh. Oh, glass?
Maybe.
Yeah, you may want to take that out.
No, I think it's okay. It might be a little rock.
You should check just to make sure.
Not down here. I'm not taking my shoes off there.
Good point. You have a flashlight? And then there's me first. Yeah, I can't see a thing. Not my glass shard or something.
Okay, let's go.
Let's see. Where did you get the glass? This is thick glass. I don't think we explored this room yet. You know what these are?
What?
These are showers.
I'm gonna need a shower.
Stinky. Oh, that's not. That's so cool. You want to name that drawing? Let's. Oh, it's Ronald McDonald.
What?
Right there behind you, like on the wall. And that would be Schnuffles. I'm naming him Schnuffles. Or her. Whatever that is.
Look, a mirror. A mirror.
I hate mirrors. Oh my gosh. We can see ourselves. Is a demonic presence gonna appear?
No.
Let's see. They say mirrors absorb negative energy.
Great.
That one's really old. A cabinet. Okay, that is a weird thing on my leg. Mirrors are the devil's invention.
Let's go.
Put it in here. This is like one of those army obstacle courses. Imagine if we find other people in here and they're just YouTubers. Imagine if we find other YouTubers in here. Oh my god. I would never climb up that ladder.
No.
This looks like it was a fuse box. Unfortunately, people took the fuses.
Keep the light focused on the general area, not
Do you think this used to be like a school kind of area? That looks like a punishment jail area. Anger Buvolts? Oh God, are these electrical wires? Oh my God. I can only... Ellary, you have to see this. This is not just a jail.
What is it?
I don't know, it's some sort of dungeon.
Dungeon.
Come on down. Oh my God. It feels so cold here. Oh, sorry. The single chair.
I don't want to get too twisted because I don't want to get back.
I have the idea how to get back. Good thing we're wearing boots. I forgot where it was. I listen to scary stories when I go to bed. I know I have problems. But I heard a creepypasta where if you sit in the chair, you get cursed and then you die soon.
It's creepypasta's fake.
Yeah, it's fake. But I'm gonna take my chances.
You are taking a chance.
Am I ready to stick with this place?
I'm just really tired.
It's literally what time is it? Oh, right. It is 2:10 in the morning.
No, give me this then.
Camp. Let's see what's down this hallway. It's amazing how dark rooms get. True. Hold on. Gonna get rid of my glass too. You did?
Well, it feels like I did.
Is there any blood?
Oh, there's no blood.
Good. I wonder if we can get up there. Now, before we get in the car, since we heard people. Okay, good. Somehow we did.
Okay, so let's check around if we want to go other places.
I locked the doors. And then you'd become a zombie if you kept it.
Keep going inside doors.
Ooh, this feels a... Ooh, this is cool. Wait until you see this.
What is that?
Right?
What is that?
Like a water boiler or something?
Oh, I gotta pee.
Oh, you can pee like on the side over there.
Yeah, I don't have a dick, so it's gonna be hard. I literally took off my whole pants to do that.
Oh, yeah, that's true. I'm gonna pee too. I love how you just peed.
I know. I don't have to pee.
See, it feels good. Just let it loose. I know, right? And it's honestly...
We saw something that said second.
We were in here, right?
Yeah, we were in here. We walked upstairs.
Oh, yeah. It's where we were. Yeah, we're going back to the car that Ellary can empty her poop because Yeah, and so we can drive around. But there's a snake in your boot.
Wonderful.
I had to say that.
Andrew, how many cars have passed by? The first time a car passed by, we ran in the opposite direction. I ran towards the car, he ran in a bush.
Yeah, George Bush. That looks like a white monster. Locked. Alright, yeah, let's find more. So, you might be asking me, why are you alone? Why? Ellary was not in the mood to get out. So she sent me to fearlessly lead the way. Yeah? Oh. Over there. Okay. Just see, I misunderstood her. I don't think there's anything open over here. Alright. Let's find out. Let's make sure just in case. Hey, wait. Oh, never mind. Everything is boarded up. Yeah?
Where are you?
Right here. Yeah, I don't see anything. I have a better idea.
What?
Watch and learn. Like, what is this building?
The drone has been connected and it died. See, go upstairs, see if you can get in. If you can, call me.
Alright, oh, sorry. More trucks. Haha. Hey, yeah. Over here. Yeah! There's a truck. Oh, yeah, I see that truck. There's like a car dashboard thing right here. It stopped. I know it's yeah, it's going away. Wait. Make a scary face. Oh my god, that's so creepy. Oh my god, I'm creeped out.
Unnamed road, fantastic.
Unnamed road? I love unnamed roads.
That's a good thing to have in your GPS. Unnamed road. Yeah, we can't. Yeah, we can't get through here.
Unless we bash through the gate like in the movies.
We're not bashing, but we're emptying.
How is the electricity still working? You know, in the zombie apocalypse, the best thing to do is have the windows rolled up. Nothing to see. So Ellary told me to look and see if I can go in some places, but I'm too scared to go over there alone. And maybe there's a door on the other side over there, so I'll go get Ellary and see what she says. And hope for the best, I hope. Now let's get back. The way I got through here. Oh my god, there's gonna be a demon behind me, I just know it, I freaking know it. Demon. 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 Okay. I'm almost Ellary. Okay, here we go. There's an area over there, but I don't know if there's any opening. Do you want to come?
Yeah, can we drive back there?
No, because you have to like walk over there and into that archway. She's actually coming.
The only reason I wasn't coming was because I didn't know there was an opening and I didn't feel like walking outside.
Same, I don't blame you. It's raining. Okay, so basically what happened was we were walking back from the archway, and then we heard whoop, and I literally jumped and screamed. And Ellary was like, what? Oh, you see that?
Andrew.
What?
Is he coming this way?
No.
Thank Christ. Okay, let's go.
We're going the other way. So then basically, we just waited for those cars to get out of sight. And when they did, we just drove in the opposite direction, got back on the main road, and got out of there. Just like that. So yeah, if you enjoyed this and you think someone else might enjoy it, show it to them. Make their day. Enhance their day. Make it even better than it was. I hope you enjoyed it too. So I'll see you next time. Bye.